Hey everybody, in the Impala, ever since we put the new tires on, we've had a low pressure light, as you will see here in a minute, and there's a couple different options to turn that out. And you know, part of it's probably just the because you know, tires new, pressures are where we want them. We run the tires in the back a little bit lower tire pressure, since typically it's just one or two people in the front. But anyways, the main way to do that is by the stereo. But as you can see, we have a new stereo, so that's not going to be an issue. So the other option is to, with the key on but engine off, is to pull this to park lights like so 3 times. So we're going to get ready to do that here, but we have to have the key on, and we'll show you how that works. So here we go. Alright, so here we go. I got the key on. Alright, it's on, but nothing there. Okay, so we won't show you the light, but so here we go. We're gonna go. Let me turn it back off here. Okay. I'll open the door. Just reset it. So, key on. Switch hands with the phones. 1, 2, 3. Turn the key off. Let's see what it does. Yay! That's all it took. The light's out. So, don't despair like we almost did if you switched your stereo and have the low pressure light come on. Have the key to the on accessory position, or on, and then pull this to parking lights. Just the one click, 3 times within 5 seconds. Turn the key off, then turn it back on, and you will no longer have a low pressure light. So thanks to all the different sources on yeah, there's a bunch of videos about it and a bunch of just web pages covering that. So really handy information to see. So thanks for watching.